There are a few warnings and notes of caution that are necessary for you to be aware of before you use the tool out in the field. Firstly, the key is designed to release access covers that are stuck, to shift and break the seal. It can be used to lift lighter, smaller covers, but larger covers, heavier covers are going to need additional lifting equipment to move them out of the way. Secondly, never use the key if you have any existing medical conditions that might be adversely affected by the activity, or if you're suffering from health conditions which may be worsened by strenuous activity. It is a physical tool and requires physical exertion to be used. Be aware, some covers just simply can't be shifted. Welded down, they're overstuck and not able to be moved. And overexertion can cause you injury, it can cause damage to the tool, damage to the cover. The purpose of using the tool is to reduce injury, but like any tool, if you misuse it, it can cause you harm. Really importantly, never use the tool as a lever, okay? If you use it as a lever, the end can bend, it can snap, it can break, okay? It's not intended to be used as a lever, it's intended to be used as a hammer upwards. It will damage the tool, and if the tool has been misused, we won't replace it under warranty. Don't attempt to repair a broken tip yourselves, and only use genuine cover-up tips. Replace the tip immediately if it becomes damaged. Do not use the tool if any of the parts are missing or damaged. To be fair, you'd find it difficult to with missing parts, but nonetheless, don't use it without any, if there are parts missing or certainly damaged. And lastly, don't hit the key with any other tool or device. It is a self-contained tool designed to deliver the force of a sledgehammer in the right direction. Don't hit it with anything else. You won't be doing anybody any favors, and you'll damage the tool, and you won't get it replaced on warranty because it's been misused. Thank you.